Seriously?
Say, come on, at least make a toast.
Ever downloaded the perfect video, only to realize it's covered with subtitles you don't want? Maybe it's a movie clip, a social media video, or content you're repurposing for your own project. The good news? You don't need complicated editing software, masking tools, or hours of manual work. Today I'll show you one of the easiest ways to remove subtitles from any video using AI. Let's jump right in. First, head over to RecCloud Remove Subtitle. You'll find the link in the description below. Click Upload Video and select the file you want to edit. Since RecCloud works online, there's no software to install and no complicated setup. Once your video is uploaded, the AI automatically detects the subtitle area. Simply select the subtitle region you want to remove by dragging the box into the captions. When you're ready, click Remove. The AI processes everything automatically and generates a clean version of your video. RecCloud intelligently fills in the background behind the text, creating a clean and natural result. No frame-by-frame editing, no masking, no professional editing skills required. All right, moment of truth. Here's the original video, subtitles everywhere. And here's the AI version. The text is gone. The video looks significantly cleaner, and most viewers would never know subtitles were there in the first place. So that's how you can remove subtitles from videos quickly and easily using RecCloud Remove Subtitle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI-powered editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.